How important is it to invest in yourself? That's my question for you today. Hi there, my name's Andrew Plimmer from andrewplimmer.com. I'm coming to you from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast. I'm an affiliate marketer. I love teaching other people how to become affiliate marketers and how to start an online business. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell for the latest updates, and if you'd like to drop a comment below, that would be awesome. I appreciate that. But my question is, how important is it to invest in yourself? Well, I think it's hugely important. It's something that I didn't do initially, and I regret that now. I don't know why I didn't. I guess maybe I didn't see it as an investment perhaps, but I think it's so important that you be prepared to invest in yourself, to hone in and become a better person of what you want to be, whether it be an online marketer. It doesn't really matter what it is. I think we all need to be mentored, and I think we have much more respect for that mentorship or that learning, if you like, if we've actually invested in it. And I think, you know, so many people sort of steer clear of actually investing in themselves financially to become a better person at whatever they might want to be. Having said that, when is enough is enough? You know, when do you sort of draw the line at doing another course? And this is something that I'm also guilty of. So when I finally sort of thought, okay, I need to sort of do some courses here. I need to become a better person at what I want to be better at. I then sort of didn't stop for a while. I thought that I was never good enough. I just sort of kept doing courses. And until I woke up one day and realized, not trying to sound like I know it all, but I thought, shit, I know what I need to do. I've done so many courses, and it's all about taking action. And I know so many people like me, and you might be somebody like this too, who's done the courses but don't actually follow through with what they've been taught. And I think this is so important that you actually do, if you do a course, that you actually follow through and take action and do what you've been taught and what you've been paid, what you've paid for to be taught how to, you know, shown how to do. And like I said, I know so many people that have gone out there, spent the money, done the courses, but they never ever follow up and actually do what they've been taught. And of course that then becomes a very bad investment, and you know, you're not going to get a return on investment if you don't actually follow through with what somebody's taught you how to do. So, you know, it's the same with creating a YouTube channel. I mean, seriously, how do you get started? Well, you get started. You take action. So if you do take a course, which I highly recommend you do, let's say it's on online marketing or how to start an online business, take the course, but don't be scared to take imperfect action. Just get started, find the time, make a commitment. Yes, you might have to make a few sacrifices, but for God's sake, get started. Otherwise, it's just a waste of money. Like I said before, I know so many people who have done so many courses. They have all the skill sets they need to get started, but they don't actually get started. But to answer the initial question, yes, you should invest in yourself. Of course, choose wisely. You know, do some research. Make sure you're sort of spending the money with somebody that actually can benefit you. Otherwise, that also is a bad investment. I recently got tied up with an affiliate marketing program that teaches people how to become affiliate marketers. Not just how to become affiliate marketers, but also how it teaches them about mindset, it teaches them about belief, it teaches them, you know, all the skill sets that you need to absolutely get started. And if you follow through with this course and actually do it and do what they teach you, you will, without question, be successful. At some level you will be successful, and but the biggest drawback, I think, is people do the courses and they don't actually follow through and do what they've been taught. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this video. If you did, please like, share and comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers, over and out.